Hello, I'm Vice Mayor Kate Gallego, a District 8 Councilwoman. We're at Friendly House today, where we're going to talk about a unique partnership between the City of Phoenix and Friendly House to help find youth the jobs that they deserve. It's part of the city's efforts on My Brother's Keeper, which is an initiative that President Obama started to help reach out to young people of color, including young men, and make sure that everyone is well represented in Phoenix. I'm here with Friendly House CEO Martin Quintana, newly appointed to the position,
Yes.
a longtime partner of us in District 8. Could you tell us a little bit about Friendly House and your role?
Sure. So my role here is new. I've been here for 5 months. However, Friendly House has been around for 95 years. They've been around for a long time. And we're proud of the fact that they do a lot of programs in workforce development, elementary education, several human service programs, home care for the elderly, emergency assistance programs, and adult education programs, and do a good job at it.
You seem like the perfect partner for us on My Brother's Keeper, and we have the head of the city's efforts on My Brother's Keeper here with us, Martin Whitfield. Could you introduce yourself and talk a little bit about the city's efforts on My Brother's Keeper?
Certainly. Thank you, Vice Mayor. Like you mentioned earlier, My Brother's Keeper is an initiative out of the White House that President Obama implemented in 2014. So my role as the MBK administrator is to collaborate with community partners, such as Martin from Friendly House, to give young men of color more opportunities.
And unfortunately, we do have a high rate of youth unemployment in this community, but together we're attacking the problem. Tell us about the youth fair.
Sure. That the youth fair is coming up on April the 23rd on Saturday. It's going to be at the Phoenix College campus. And we're expecting hopefully about 400 young adults to come and join us. We're going to have a youth fair to try to find employment. We're going to have over 20 employers coming in to talk to the youth. And we're also going to be providing workshops for financial literacy, resume writing, as well as mock interviewing skills that we can try to share with the students.
Wonderful. So who should come and who are some of the employers they might see?
We're very excited. We're targeting youth between 16 and 24 years of age, and we've got some spectacular employers that are going to be there. Southwest Airlines is going to be there, one of our largest airlines here in Phoenix. We've also got some other airport partners. That's one of the concentrations that we have for the Be Employed pillar under MBK. So we've got both of our food and beverage concessionaires that are going to be joining us for the day, HMS Host and SSP America and several others.
We have so many award-winning restaurants at the airport. They've been great partners of us at the City of Phoenix, and we're excited that the city's partners are stepping up to address youth unemployment. We have great young people in this community, and some of them haven't always gotten a fair shake, so I hope this event will help them get the skills that they need and get that resume that's ready and polished up so that they can get great jobs, including at city facilities. You did mention this was part of the Be Employed pillar. Could you explain the 6 pillars of My Brother's Keeper?
Certainly. Well, let me back up a little bit. It's a cradle to career strategy that we have for young men of color. So there's 6 pillars. There's Interschool Ready to Learn. There's Read on Grade Level by 3rd grade. There's Graduate from High School, Complete Post-Secondary Education and Training. Then the one that we're talking about today is to Be Employed. And then the final one is to Be Safe from Violent Crime. So like I mentioned, it's a cradle to career strategy for young men of color.
Wonderful. I have the pleasure of co-chairing this initiative with Laura Pastor and particularly leading on the Be Employed and public safety pillars. So I'm excited that we have this partnership and that Friendly House has really stepped up and taken a leadership role in this. Is there anything else people should know?
Come join us, and on the 23rd, we'll be there from 8 o'clock till about 1:30 or so. And like I mentioned, we're going to have 20 employers out there and also providing some workshops. And it's going to be a lot of fun, and we're hoping to find some employment for some of the youth here and for the longer term. And so come join us.
Fabulous. And we'll have information about how to register on the website below, or you can just show up. But we'd love to know if you're coming. Thank you so much for watching this segment of On the Go. I'm Vice Mayor Kate Gallego.